So working with color. So color, we already know um, that here we have a fill, and then if we switch it, that's your stroke. And if you double click, you can change all the colors here. You have this little number if you want to be exact. You can always copy paste the color number. If you want to start creating swatches, you can, so I'm going to make a duplicate of this box by hitting Option and then clicking and then holding down Shift, and that's going to drag out a square, and it's going to stay aligned. And then I'll do that again, this time with both of them. Option, click, hold down Shift, keep everything held down. And then the cool thing is, like, I really like this pale, like watermelon color, um, and I want to create like little swatches, so I can click here and like, if I go into color guide, and remember, if you don't see color guide, you can find it if you go to window, and you already have like a lot of the basic color theory stuff kind of applied here. So left, complement, analogous, monochromatic, um, your high contrast. So let's go with high contrast just for this. Right here are the main like hues that are the high contrast. So pink and then green on the other end, and then all the steps in between. And then you have different tints and different shades. And this is a good way to kind of see what colors look like when you're exploring your color. And the easiest way to change it is by selecting the shape that you want and then clicking it and then selecting a different color. Oh, that's off. Okay, and then there you can kind of get an idea of like what colors you want to use, and you can even just copy all of this by using your selection tool and then dragging everything that you want and then holding down Option or Alt. And then again, you can go in and then like check out a different set of rules. Maybe you want to see what your like four colors look like. Well, I'm using 5 for this example, but you want to see what they look like in analogous. So you can go ahead and start changing each little box by selecting right, and then you get like a good idea of like what your colors look like next to each other. And that is going to come in handy when you're thinking about color, I think in like process 5 and just throughout the semester when you're making up these little exploring color combinations. Ooh, this one's cool. I like the primary ones. And then the same kind of stuff applies to when you're doing text. So you have your, this is in black, you want to change this, maybe you select this eyedropper and then you want to change it to this and it completely changes it to that color. And you know, this is my set of colors that I'm working with, so everything in my design will revolve around these colors, so I can just go ahead and select another text and another color, and then yeah, I think that's a good starting point with color. And remember, when you're scaling stuff up and down, like your letters, make sure you hold down Shift because you don't want to distort. Okay, cool. Color. Thanks.